Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the voice typing feature in Google Docs. So maybe you have a lot to get done and you don't want to spend all of your time typing. What you can do is go to Tools, Voice Typing. You may have to give Google Docs the ability to use your microphone, which is fine for using this tool. When I'm ready to start, I simply click on the microphone. I'll know that I can do voice typing if the microphone turns red. So now that voice typing, So now that voice typing is activated, all I have to do is talk and my device will listen to me and transcribe whatever I'm saying into text. It will type it for me, and that will just save me a bunch of time, especially if I have a lot of typing to do. The downside to this is it generally doesn't detect punctuation, and so you will have to go back and adjust the punctuation for whatever you entered, but this does save a ton of time on the typing. Just a really powerful tool to save you time. Just a really great feature to have. When you're done, simply click the microphone again. And now voice typing is turned off. All right, you can see over here that you can say period and new line. And from what I understand, there are going to be some more voice commands coming to voice typing in the near future, which will allow some editing. I'm just not really sure which ones are available now. But that information, I think they'll do a pretty good job of communicating that to us in Google Docs when we use voice typing. But that is a really neat tool that you can use to save yourself a lot of time typing large amounts of text. So kind of a neat little thing.